Are you looking for a 4-bedroom, 2-bath in Gulf Breeze, Florida that is close to Walmart and Publix and the schools and Pensacola Beach and also Pensacola? Well, today we're going to tour a fully renovated, about 1,600 square foot home in Gulf Breeze. If this is something that you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. So as we come into this, the 4-bedroom, 2-bath, it's fully renovated. You come up to the front porch. It's newly painted. You got the new door as well. All of the doors are new and all of the wiring is new. So you come into the living room and it is connected right to the kitchen. You got the original hardwood flooring, all refinished. Recessed lighting. The kitchen is open. Got all new appliances in the kitchen, new cabinets, granite countertops. Got the hardwood flooring also in the kitchen. And the tile backsplash. It's a view of the backyard. Does have a fire pit, an extended deck. The laundry room is right off the kitchen. That has also been renovated. It has additional cabinets added. Off the kitchen area is the main bedroom. There are 2 separate closets. Here's one closet. It has some wood shelving in it. And then the other closet also has wood shelving. In the main bathroom, there is the separate water closet. You got storage in there as well. And then there is the double vanity and a full shower. This is a tile shower and the tile does go all the way to the ceiling. You have a window for added natural lighting. The glass shower doors. This is all LVP flooring. We come into the main bedroom. You have the recessed lighting with the ceiling fan. And the main bedroom is in the front of the house. Do have the added yard shed, the fire pit. You do have the hot tub and also the outdoor shower. From the outdoor deck in the backyard, you come into the kitchen, and we'll go back to the other 3 bedrooms and the 2nd bathroom. You see the beautiful refinished original wood flooring. So bedroom 2 does have the wood flooring in it. You got the decorative fan, and it is in the back of the house. There's also a closet with a lot of storage and the wood shelving. High ceilings in here as well. We'll go to bedroom 3. So there is the original hardwood flooring throughout the whole house. Bedroom 3 is also in the back of the house. Got the closet with the shelving, wood shelving in there. Also the decorative fan. And bathroom 2 has tile flooring with a single vanity and the tub shower combo. The tile shower does go to the ceiling with the glass doors, and you have a linen closet. And bedroom number 4 also has the wood flooring. Bedroom 4 is in the front of the house. You got the decorative light fan. The shades covering the windows. And then there is the closet over here as well with the wood shelving. This is a little over 1,600 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath in Gulf Breeze, Florida, which is close to Pensacola and Pensacola Beach. If this is something that you would like more information on, you're moving to Gulf Breeze, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.